Hello friends. In this video, I am going to show how to download and install printer driver for Canon printer. First open the browser. Then search your printer model. Go to the website of your printer make. As per your PC specification, choose 32/64 bit. Now hit the download tab and your downloading will start. It will take some time. I have already downloaded it, so I am cancelling it. Now go to downloads in your file explorer. Here you can find the setup file. Open and install it. This will create a new folder. Now go to x64 folder. Inside there is a setup. Open it. Click Next tab. Now click Yes to accept the agreement. Make sure that you have selected Install with USB connection and click Next. A dialog box will appear. Just say Yes. Again choose Yes. Now turn on your printer by plugging in power. Once your printer is turned on, connect printer's USB cable to PC. It will consume some time. Once the installation is completed, press the Exit tab. Now you can print your documents. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, ask in comment box. Please subscribe our channel.